This is a multi-vendor e-commerce account which allow you to sell online. Scroll down, you see your products. These are your products, the digital product that you can sell. So this will be teaching you how to build a website like this under 1 hour. The site allow you to sell online and make money, and also show you a link of multi-vendor accounts where people can sell on your platform. Sell all kind of gadgets, clothes, fashion, whatever you need. So we'll teach you how to build this website under 1 hour. You don't need to know how to code. It's just a drag and drop. So the website has a similarity of that of Amazon, where people will sell, have a shop online on your platform. They sell and you get a percentage. The website will also have a similarity of that of Jumia, which is one of the leading e-commerce websites in Africa. So it's a similarity with Amazon. So let's get started. The website have about. On the about page is to check the CEO, the team behind it, and the history. Then you have the contact page where people can get information, address, and sign up into your plan. And this is the dashboard of my site. This is the dashboard of where you'll be working. So it's good you copy it and paste it on your system. I'll copy this and drag it on my system. It allows me whenever I want to go to WordPress, I just click it. So let's click plugin. So these are your plugins. You remember what you understand. So these are the plugins. But what we're gonna do, I'll go to next. I click appearance, then theme. Appearance, then theme. So you will need a theme to start building. So I'll come to my site, network site admin and theme, to take me to the theme. So I want to download a new theme, which is Astra. So once you click there, to show you multiple themes, just click install. Once you finish install, click activate. So voila, Astra is here. So I'll go back to my site icon up. So click my site icon, then go to appearance, then click theme. Wow, this is the Astra. So you activate. So the Astra, then click install templates. I'm still there. I'm just clicking install templates. So it's installing the templates, which is multiple website into the website. Then next you click Elementor. So it will show you these sites. They are all generated into your website. All these are already built sites, like thousands of websites. You go for the one that there is no premium. Those are free. Like there are thousands. You select whatever you want. But we'll be going for a multi-vendor site. You can still search from the top bar of the kind of site you need. The system will just generate it for us. But for me, I think I'll go for Brand Store. Brand Store is one of the best for e-commerce. So we'll be using Brand Store. This is the Brand Store. Click it. It will load. So this is the site. You can change your site color, but just scroll down and click continue. We'll talk about site color later. You can change the look of your site, black, blue, red, whatever you want your site to. Click continue. So it will take you to another interface where it will ask you your name and your email. So I've already put the name, so I have to type in my email. So you type in your email. Then next you click beginner. Then you click my site / client, then agreed. Then once you're done with this, just scroll down and submit the site. So it says submit and build my WordPress site. So yeah, it's building the site. So in the next few minutes, we are building your site. So that's complete. So I'll view the site. Wow, voila, this is the site. You just built an e-commerce website. So next we have to edit the sites and insert our own content on the site. So you can see how beautiful the site is. All the buttons are working, but how can you put in your details? So to put your details, Anywhere you want to edit, you click it first. Then after you click it, you click top of the net of the search bar or like edit with Elementor. So right now I'll go to my front interface. You can see content. This is how the site is. Your price filter, product, everything is working perfectly. So next, if you click the logo will take you back to your front interface. So I'm just going to click edit with Elementor. So right now we want to edit the site, put our own write-up, change a lot of things. So you can close the navigator button and click the container. To edit anything, you must click the container where you want to edit. So I'll click the container, then I'll click this button. Once you click it, I'll change the write-up to my own write-up. So you put whatever you like. I'll just type by quality product, quality design. Then the under, I'll come to the under, I'll just paste the products. You can copy and paste if you know you don't have time. So I'll copy and paste on the, I think the write-up is much. For me, it's okay. Then the next, you click update. So click the container. Click style to change the picture. But for here, I'll click video. The video means you have to insert a video, upload a video. So let me go to YouTube and just copy a link. So I'll copy this link. This is how to copy a link on YouTube. I'll go back to my site and paste it here. So it will show videos. So this is how you can put a video on your site interface, which is the front banner. Yeah, so I'll just click the container, go back and click the paint brush to go back to the image. Then I'll change the image and put my own image. So if you are cool to leave the image, you can leave the image, but for me, I want to change it. So I'll just scroll and select. Later we'll talk about how you can resize, get the perfect resize. But for now, just follow up. If you don't want to follow up, you can leave, but you can change and put whatever you want to put. The site will automatically fit it. So the best is when you have the resize. We'll talk about the resize later. So this is it. This is how you can change your pictures of your site interface and container. Then I click update. So once you click the update, I've just changed everything here. So let's see the site. I'll go back. Voila, this is how the site is. How to change multiple pictures and use multiple pictures as your display, which is zoom out and zoom in can be fading. So select the icon, select your multiple pictures and put it, then insert it, then click update. So when you click update, you can see they are changing by zooming. Then next, what we look is how to change these pictures here. You click this icon, select your pictures, then select the pictures that you need. And once you've clicked it, you've tapped it, just click select. You can see. So the same thing you do to the next one and the next after one. We will come back and show you how you can link this shop now. But let's see how you can change this right up. So you can change the right up to your own. Like me, I'm going to put discount, 50% discount. Then the under right up is, it determines if you need it. Like let me just say I'm going to use an AI to put a little right up for me. But first of all, you tell the AI what you want. Like instead of putting AI, I can just put somewhere of, I understand, like I just paste an AI, I paste a message of my own of whatever I want. Understand? So you can post your message and you do the same to the other interface. So it is up to you. You can still delete this icon if you want. Then I scroll down, I want to change this, I click this 4 box and it will show me. Then I go display, I'll click my pictures, I select the pictures that I want. Any pictures I understand, I select the pictures that I want. But later I'm going to show you the format, the right size that you are going to use for your site. So let me edit this interface. If I need this interface, I am just going to click this icon, then I will edit it. If you don't need it, you can delete it by pressing your option. But let me just type what I want. I can just say top close, then special edition. Then regarding this order under, I might not need it, so I will delete it. So yeah, if you want to change this, you can change all this icon to your own font. You can delete it. You can put it back by Command Z. Understand why in Windows you press Ctrl Z. So I just click this icon, then I change the right up. So you can change the right up to whatever that suits you. You can leave it blank. You can just put a little right up. So right now I want to use an AI, so I will go for a professional. AI will give me a right up. So I'm just going to take a little one paragraph or two paragraph, because more paragraph is like boring. In a sense, I'll just paste it, copy and paste it. You can see. Then I will go and range my right up. So this is how to range right up, so it will be in a good form and readable. So I'll go to the best quality. I'll do the same thing I did to the first one. So anyone that you don't need, you can just delete it. You understand? So yeah, best offer I think is okay by me. Then I'll delete the other ones. Then I choose to put a right up. Just type a simple thing that will sell quality designs. Understand? You can put whatever you want to put there. So this is just what I want to put as a demo. Then I go to secure payment. I think secure payment is okay for people to know that your site is secure. I can just say our payment gateway is secure. You can put whatever you want, then I click update so you can see the sites, buy quality designs. Then right now this find more, I think I don't need it, so I'll delete it. So for here I want to change the color. So this is how you change the color. So we have normal and we have cover. The normal is the first interface. The cover is the, when you click it, the color that it will change to. So I'll go to the background. You can see background type. So I've changed it to green. You can change it to any color that you want. So when it goes to the cover, I want it to be on green. So the cover is whenever you click it. Then the normal is the normal one you saw. That when you click it, the cover will be the color display. So you put any color and I click update. So I goes down and I check into the website, and I'll just go back to see how my site is. You can see blah blah. Here we're still editing. So next, I want to go about. Any place you want to edit, you must go. Like as I go about, I'll just click edit with Elementor. First of all, you will go back, then click edit with Elementor, then I click this 4 square to change the pictures of the about. So I'll just click and put any pictures that I like. But these pictures, they all have a size, but later we'll talk about sizing of pictures. So once you click it, you insert your picture. If you want to change this right up, you can change it, but I think about us is okay. Then I'll come here and click this icon. I want to change who we are. You understand there? Okay, let me change this picture and put my own picture. You can still delete it if you don't want it. So I just click inside this picture. Then here who we are. I'll come to the right up and change the right up. You know, when you want to use Elementor, first of all you want to use an AI. You first of all tell the AI what you want. Then you click this interface for AI to display. AI make it to be easy for you. So you click your AI. Then you click change tone. I want it to be professional. AI will give me a cool write-up. And like I said, I'll just take like the first 3 paragraphs. I'm okay because I can't take the entire paragraph. So I put this and paste it. I think it's much. Let me reduce it. write up is much, or I'm okay with it. I think the write up is okay. I'm okay with this interface. Then I want to change the color of who we are. So now I'm trying to change the font to make it to be bold. Then now I change the color. I just click icon, and this is how to change the color. Now this color does not have normal and cover. It's just a single color. So I click update. So I come down. If you don't need all these things, you delete it. If you want it, you just replace the icon. So but later I'm going to come over here and show you how you can do this. So for now, let's leave this one the way it is. We'll come back later to do it. So let's look at the social media icon. Yeah, now I'll show you how you can link your icon. So how to link the icon like. Okay, this is the interface. We want to link the social media icon. Click here. Then come to your Instagram. This is the button where you can link it. So any of the button you want to link, you click it. Then this icon library is for you to change the icon. So just type click it, then type Facebook. There's a Facebook icon already, so you can see the icon have changed. And the icon have changed. Let us take this G out of it. We don't need it by delete. So that's how you delete. So now we have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So to add, you just click this icon. Like this is to add a new icon and link it. Then you go to the custom. On the custom, you just leave it at artificial. Go to your icon. On the icon, type YouTube. If we want to insert YouTube inside, then click. I want to make it bold, so I'll go for solid brand bold. So it's bold now. Then you insert it. So this is how to add an icon extra to it. You can add anything. The way you do, you have to link it. So let us link it. So I will go to my YouTube, type YouTube online. So once YouTube show, I click it, it will load. This is my YouTube. I will go to my video. So when I click Jerry Wings, it will show. I will just tap the URL here and copy it. So when I copy it, I'll go back to my site and paste it on the link. So if you click it, so update, I'm going to update it. Then I will come scroll down over. Then the next thing, I'll click this 4 button here and style. If I want to change this back picture, so this is how to change that back picture. I want my own pictures to be there. But if you understand, so I've changed the picture, put my own picture, let it be funky. You can change the color, you can change everything here, or you can add an extra place. So let me just click on update. So update. The next, let's view what we just did. Let's view the site. So once you click view, it will load. Once it load, we go down. Let me click YouTube. So this is how you can link icon, social media icon. So it has taken me to YouTube. And you can do the same for your site. Then I'll close it, go back to my site, go back to my working interface, delete it. I've deleted. I want to add my own section to it. I understand you can add your own. So when you type social media, share, and drag it. You can see we've changed it. You can like it. You understand? This is customized. You are customizing it to be your own. So whenever you click it, it will take you to here. Yeah. So edit, like you say, edit Sienna social icon. So once I click Facebook, I'll link it to my Facebook. So I'll go to my Facebook account, and you can only link things like this with desktop. I'll copy it, my URL direct from my Facebook. It can be your personal Facebook account or your Facebook page. So I paste it there. I go to, I'll take name down off, and inside it I want to put YouTube. So I'll type Instagram because Instagram was not there. So I'll go to the icon. I'll go to the icon. So I'll come down and search Instagram. So Instagram icon will pop up. This segment is different from the first one. So I'll go to my Instagram. I will log in. Once I log in, I'll click in the URL. I'll copy it and I'll paste it on the link. You can see the link. And yes, so I'm doing it at fresh. This is customizing. I'm customizing this segment. So now it's being customized. You see it's different from the first one. So I go to tweet. Tweet is kind of, I forgot my tweet account. Let me see if I can remember. I don't want to stress myself, start going there, just leave it. But you people have seen it already. So I want to change the button color. So we have normal, we have cover. So I'm going to click color. You can see the icon I've changed to black. This is for icon. To change an icon color background, you click, you screw it. You understand? So I have changed it. Then I go to the cover. Cover is when you click it, the color it will change to. So let me say, click black. So normal is the normal color. Then when you tap it, the color that it will change to is the cover. So this is how you can change, and you apply the same thing to the rest one. So right now I'm changing the buttons. This protocol of changing button color is the same with text title and social media icon and button also. So I'm changing the color now. So all the color are accurate. So if you can watch, this is a new icon. So let's see it on the side. Let's preview it. So this is how your about page will look. So we'll scroll down and go back. Click your customize. So I want to change here. I want to change. I see this pink is not okay. I click the pink. Then I'll go to custom style. Then box content. See this purple. Click it. Prefer it to be black. This one does not have cover, but you can change the color. You can also. So I click update. So I've changed it. And this is how you can edit your contact page. So I scroll down, then I go back to the site. If I want to click this icon, I want to go back to my dashboard. Or let me just go to customize. Customize meaning that I want to change my logo. So it will take you to customize. So we'll go to header. The header is this interface. This is your header. And you can see the header builder down. So want to change logo, go to site, title, you see the logo, you see black and white. So the black, you have your logo on black, you have your logo on white for transparent and veterinary change. So right now I'll pick my black, I'll just pick my entire logo icon. Later we'll come back and I'll show you how to create a particular logo that will fit into your site. This is just a demo play. This is just a demo play. So I will pick a JPEG, PNG, black and white on my site. Then I'll just drop it, import it into the library. So it's importing now. When it is done, you pick the icon you want. So we are going for the black icon, because if you are changing the logo, change black to black, which is PNG. Like this is black to black. So it's asking me to crop. I said crop, but sometimes you can just say skip. Your logo will say up here. The logo is here. But you see this logo is here, so I'll come down. There's another black. Then I'll click the black logo again. Just tap it, then choose image. That's changed. So what I do, just look in the click design. Literally don't need that design. So I'll tap this logo again because I want to get the black one, the white one. So screw down, checked. So let's go to the icon. This is site icon. Site icon is the logo that will show when people search for you. So let me think, I'll take this red as the site icon. It is nowhere fitting. So I'll choose it. This is what people will see on Google, on your browser, whenever they type. So this is called site icon. So I'll place it. Then, okay, I can crop it. Then I'll just click crop. Once I'm done, I think it's okay like this. And I click crop. Then I'll click publish. Meaning when you click publish, it's like you've updated it. So if you watch this logo is still black. It's supposed to be white because this interface is designed to be white. Then when it goes to maybe phone type, can be black because on phone this place is white. So I'm going to go back and I'll go to my header. If I want this logo to rhyme, I'll click logo. I'll tap the logo again. You tap it. So it has show white, meaning I've not changed this particular one. It's still reflecting. So if you can see, then I'll change it to be white, which is white of my logo, PNG. Use PNG. But if you are using a JPEG, you can click this interpolate. Like here, show you different logo for veterinary display. You understand? You just off it. It's if you want different logo to show on phone and tab and website, you have to apply it. So I'll click white. So choose. Then I'll go down, change the last one. So why this logo is appearing twice is a veterinary logo display for different system and interface. So automatically the system have a sensor of its own to choose a different logo base. Okay, right now you see it as match. This is the reason. So go to click publish. This is how to change a logo on a website. This is how to change a logo. So I'll check it on mobile. This is tab. I just click my tab. You see the logo is black, but I've not change it. So I'll tap it. Once I tap the logo, I'll tap it again. You click the main logo to show. So I go back and go to my site, scroll down, still there. I didn't change it earlier. So the black in three is one for mobile, one for sites, and one for tablet and desktop. So currently we've completed the tab. So this is how your system will be on tab. You can see the tab icon and mobile icon. So go back and check our site and you click cancel. Let's check it up. See the site. So we've just changed the logo and let's scroll and check the site. So this is ITs on mobile. You see how the logo is. So on mobile the logo will be black. Thank you very much. Cheers. This is the e-commerce website. So right now I want to show you people how you can add product to your e-commerce store. To upload your own product for digital sales, any kind of product. So you go to your dashboard, just click your dashboard. You can go through my site or you click your site, you go to dashboard, then you scroll down First of all, let's talk about how you can upload products. You go to media, then on media, add new. This is how you can add image to your store, image and video. So now I'm looking for the image that I want. You can even pick multiple images at the same time and upload it. So right now I'm uploading the pictures that I want to use for my digital store, sneakers and shoe. So when I'm done, next, so I'll click library to view all my pictures and image. Let me close all this item. I don't really need all these things. Let me just close it so it will not be noisy. So this is the item I just picked. So next I'm going to go to WooCommerce. From WooCommerce I go to product, I click add product. So on add product, this is product name. This is how to add product. So this is where you put your name, the product. This is where you put product description. So we'll be looking at single product. Listing very careful. Single product. Single product is a single item that does not have. Then here we. So right now let me give a product name. So I'll just give it black shoe. I'll give it a black shoe. So black shoe. I'll come to here next and add categories. So add categories. Then here is image. To add image, and be careful of this icon, don't touch it, just click set image to have an image of what you are doing. Then look, let me just upload the item again so you won't be new. I'll click here, go to my item, click it and pick it. So I've clicked on my item, and I'll pick this as my front image. Then it will pop out. Next, I'm going to add gallery, product gallery. Product gallery are extra image, like you want the front, the back, the side, the under. But I'm just going to pick one. You can pick any numbers you like. It's product gallery. It allows the people to see what they are doing. Then here I add our price, regular price, and sales price. So on sales price, after sales price, I'll come to my category and add category. Category is the category of the, so I'll click men because it's a shoe for men. If it's a woman shoe, I'll click woman. Where is a man? Then what is the name of the shoe? I'll just click shoe. So when you go to my menu, if you click shoe, you see it's men items. You see, so you add new to gallery. Voila, look at it, shoe and men. So this is all. I'll click publish. So you can once more scroll at your item to make sure you have it. Okay, let's put description product. The description, the product description, anything you want to write, like, so me, I'm just going to put this. You understand? So you can also add short description here, but I think I'm okay. I'll click publish. So once you click publish, it will load into the store. So you click preview change. The preview change is for you to see what you just upload. So let's see what I upload. Voila. So this is it. So if I click add to cart, it will add to cart. You see the price of the shoes, 25,000. So product gallery, you see when I click the picture, it change. So that is how it will be changing on your status on your item. So I'll go back and let's go to my site. So when you click your site, we are in our site, it will not appear because of the coding behind this product, who product. So I'll go back to my site again. So I'll come to all products, click product and all products. So these are all the products. I'll click this star of this black shoe, click the star icon. So but before then, this is where you edit, quick edit, trash when you want to delete it. Then view is for viewing, duplicate is to duplicate the product when you want to duplicate. So I just click this star to make it blue. So once you click it, go back to the site again. Voila, this is the product. So now this is the product, and I'll click it. So I'm in the store now. It has appeared officially. So you can click the numbers of shoes you want, if it is one or two.
You can see the category men, black shoes. It's also then the description where we wrote. So you can put whatever you want about your shoe, write the quality, write anything you want to write. So I need 3 pair of this shoe. Now the difference, so you are seeing the categories. So I'll just click add to cart. So I need 3 pair automatically to arrange on the payment page. You will see it here. 3. I just pick Posage 3 item. So you can view cart. So this is the cart. We show you black shoe, 25,000 times 375. So you fill in your item. Once you fill your item, then you can make payment. But we have to link this page for payment page. Right now it's still on test page. So we'll go back to the site. So the next thing we'll be looking at, we'll just go back to our site. Let's talk about variable product. Right now, this one we just talk about is a single product. Now we won't talk about variable product. But before then, let's go to let me show you how you can add categories. Under this product, you see categories. You can create your categories. You can see add by the product when you are trying to upload product. But this is how you do your re-customized category where you can put pictures. So the first thing, you put the name of your product. The first letter must be capital letter. I will say Nike. Slogan will be smaller letter. Then on lower letter, then description. If you like, you put a description. It's not mandatory, it's optional. But let me just put a description. Then after the description, I'll just put all Nike products. So all Nike products from Nike company. So I'll come here, I will upload a picture. This picture, whenever they type Nike product, it is what we choose. Then I'll add to category. Then look at it. It is category. You can edit it anytime. Whenever you come to category, you can edit your category. You can delete it. You can see delete. So let me just click edit. Edit is when you make a wrong spelling or you want to change a picture, and you can still post without the picture. So now let's add product. I'll go to all products. We add new product. So now this is variable product. So you see the difference between variable product and single product. I'll say Nike 18 is what I want to name my product. Nike 18. Then I'll go to image. I'll pick the number one image that will display on the site first. Then I'm going to add gallery. Now, variable product is when you have different color and different size of a product. So variable allow people to choose the kind of color. So I will just choose the product I want on the variable products. So we have blue, black. Then I'll come to my categories. I'll just see Nike. Remember, we created Nike. So it's a Nike shoe for men. And Nike is a sneakers. So I'll just click here to add category. So it's going to add a category sneakers. So when someone types sneakers, men's shoes, Nike, it will see all the products. So I'll add categories and I'll come here. This simple product, I'll change it. This is a group product. This is affiliation. But you go to variable product. Just click got it. So now this is variable product. This SKU is something that is like a hashtag on your product. So you just put an hashtag 918. Then you say track stock quality quantity. So yes, track stock quantity is to know the number of stock. The products, this product, how many of them do you have? 10. So I'm just going to put 10. If it's 20, 1, 2, 3. So I'll say allow. Then stock wide trash should mean like this icon here tells you this stock wide, meaning that once it is two, it will alert the website that this product is two. This one is limit postage item, but don't click it, just leave it. And so I'm going to click variable variation. So we'll click variation to add price and color. So we'll click attributes. I want to click attributes. We should have clicked attribute before here. That's why it shows attributes. So now the attribute is your. So you click add existing. So we want to add color. How many color do we have? So we have approximately 4 colors. So once you click here or you type it, it will show blue. Then you type again black. If you type again, So let me just say okay, gray. You can add your own color to it if the color is not on the system. So I'll just type sky blue because it's not on the system. So you see how I'll do it. Then next we'll click add existing size. So we have medium size, we have large, extra large. So when you click it, you will see it, or you type it, you will see it. And we see have numbers of shoes also. So you can add your own number if the number is not there of the shoes. Then you click save. Then when you click save, the next thing you go to your variation. Now you go, remember I drive us to attribute. Now it's variation. You can still remove it if you don't want it. So we'll go to variation. So once I click variation, it will take me to the variation interface. I will say add manually. Then I'm going to come to edit because we want to put our price. So this is it. Enable and in stock. You can see show us in stock, which is different from single product. So I'll put my regular price and my sales price. Then I'll click save. Then next I'll go to publish. Published it into the site. Then let's review our product and see the difference. So wow, this is variable product. Variable product, you can see color. Now if I click this add, it's not going to add because I have not clicked the color and the size that I need. So right now you can't add, but once I click the color, I need you can see here as open, I've clicked the color, I've clicked the size, then I can just click my quantity. If it is one, you're okay, two, whatever. So the variable allow you to select the color and the size of what you want. You can see variable is different from single product. So this is how you can set a variable product. Then I've had to cut. So once I had to cut, you can see to indicate here that I just had a product to cut. So you can check your cut. This is the previous one because I'm still staging, but I think we're done with this. Just close this. So you see the color is blue, the size is medium, two quantity, give you 50 so you can view your cart. You can still come here back and still view the cards. This is the customer interface, seeing the product Nike 18 color blue size. This is a coupon. You can generate coupon when you want to give customer discount like season. So now we are not generating. I'll show you how to generate coupon. So once you click check, so let me just click the logo to go back. So I've gone back to the side by clicking the logo. Then I'll go back to the dashboard. Voila. So if you watch the product is not there, you come back and click the star, so it will be there. It will go back to the store. So now we've come back to the store, we'll see our product on the store on the who product list. So we call this who product list or product gray. So right now is on our products on our shop. You can see this is variable, this is single. The both are different. Variable allow you to select the color and the size. So this is how you can create variable and so let's see how we can add product and edit our who product list. So you click edit with Elementor from your, so when you click it will take you to your dashboard for you to edit. Just scroll down, click the container, which is the buttons, and if you click the container, you want to add this kind of product, the one you can manipulate and control. You click this plus icon on the container. So when you click it, you type product. If you look at this product is locked, they are locked, you cannot access it. You need to go to Pro, to Elementor Pro, to access all these products. So what we have to do, go back to our site and click site. Just click your site logo to go back. So we'll go to plugins. We'll install a plugins called Essential, but you cannot install plugin. You can access plugins from here. So to install plugin, go to my site, network sites, scroll down to plugins. Yeah, this is where you can download plugins. So by the time we do that, it will take us to plugin. Then you see add new. Click add new. It will load, take you to multiple plugins. Just type Elementor. Type Elementor. We have Elementor already. So you see it's active. Scroll down, you will see Essential Elementor. Scroll down. These ones are private. You have to pay. So you see Essential Elementor. Click install now. Kindly click active. So you click active, it will activate on your site. So it will load. So sometimes it will just take you back to your plugins. Then you click my site, but sometimes it will take you to the plugin that's activated. If you see the corner here, you see Elementor add-ons on your site. So eh, sometimes it will take you here. So if it take you here, you find yourself in this angle, just click basic recommended. Once you click basic recommended or custom configure, but basic recommended meaning that you have to select all the active button like post grid, post timeline, advanced data table, and content ticket. Yep. So you can click all to view if you want to view all, and we just tick. See the ones I'm ticking. You can use Facebook, fancy chat. There are a lot of stuff you can use for free. Even contact seven, contact form, everything. So we'll say who product lists, who checkouts, who chats. So who product gallery, who product compare, and who chats. Then we're done. And click checkout. Then click next. Then it's asking if you want these extra ones, you need to go to Pro, meaning you have to pay. But you just click next and next. So this template has installed already. Click next. So if you say count me in, make Essential more wholesome by using count me in, meaning they have to send me a congratulations, you've done it. Then we have to go back to our site, click Elementor, edit with Elementor, it will load. Once it load, then now we have to add, because currently we've gotten the product list. So we click our container, want to click plus, click this icon, then tap in this triangle, you see container, drag the container in. Container allow you to create things. Now we want to create on our own. Type who who product or who. You see now we see all these things, they are free, they are not locked again. So you have who product grid. So you take who product grid and dropped it. Voila. You see we've created a product list or who product. So if you click this icon is for you to review, then you click response mobile to view this content on how it looks on iPad, and this is how it looked on iPad, which is this new one. It shows single. Then you click it on mobile. This is how your site look, meaning the site is mobile friendly. So right now, what we need to do, we click this icon here. Once we click this icon, to show us this interface. Now we want to change the grid. Now when you click the grid, you see these ones have changed. You just play with it. List. This is how lists look like. This one you are customizing it to your own taste. So we put, you just play with it, simple style like style presentation, reverse style, you're saying everything, you understand, you just test it, the one that you are okay with, because you are the master of your site. So I'll just go back to default. This is how default look like. You can literally change the color to match with your site. So I will go for the look 8 preset 8. This is how preset 8 look like. So I'll go for simple style. Then columns are the numbers of product that shows there. Now I want it to show 5, but we don't have much product, so it cannot show, except So I'll go back to 5. So colon is the number. So we'll come to product setting. Product setting tells you that you set it by date or by ID. I think by date is better. Dynamic will take some option for you. So we'll go for source product, recent product. Then if you click manual, meaning that you will manually select the item. While you scroll to content status, product gallery, meaning that you want a specific product to be here. I just put Nike and shoe. This is how it is. So you can literally put a particular product to show, like I only want Nike and shoe to show here, or shoe alone, or maybe someone a customer pay for a premium in your site. You can and you want a product or he or she product to be on top of the bar. You can set it like this also. So just delete it to go back to the settings. Just close it and you see how it is. Mobile. Okay, just click your contact on your contact. It will show you want to change this interface. This is the one that follow the plugins. All this we want to change everything. So you click edit with Elementor. So it'll take you to your contact page where you can edit everything. Here is cool. I think I'll delete by clicking this place. Then to add a new one, I want to insert start out. So I click that and click block. Block will show you different kind of block. Is a design you can use to design your site. It has contact, it has email, it has address, it has a lot of stuff. So I'll click this template and click import. So it will import. You leave it, it will take you back to your site. Let me delete this under. So I'll delete it and click starter template, which is the X. Go back to block again. Now we want to insert email and contact page, like we say, we want to spice it up. So I think I kind of like this. Kind of like it. There are a lot of them when you scroll. So click, then I click import. Once if you finish import, it will take you back to your site. So voila, this is it. So to edit it, you click the edit icon, which is then you click your style, layout, style. I want to make this background light, but I want to make this background light. Because of by the time someone send a mail, there is a text message that will appear that will get back to you. So I'll delete the first icon. Then let me edit the address. You put your own address. So when you click edit, it will take you to the edit interface. You see the contact, scroll down and delete it and type your office or home address where you want your customer to reach you. So I'm just going to type mine. And later we'll link this address to Google. And I'll go to phone number. So once I click phone number, this is how you can edit. Type in your own contact. So I'm going to type mine. Then if you have a two contact, just click duplicate. This is duplicate. It will duplicate. Then correct it. Put your other contact also. Then you do the same to the email. Come to the email interface. Edit the email. Put your own brand email. Any of the email you want to receive. If you have two email too, you can see duplicated. But I think mine, I'm just going to leave it one. So click update. And you can link your social icon. Remember, for the first video and the second video, I taught you guys how to do, so I'm not going to go through that. The same process to link your social icon. So go to your, I can also change the container background. So if you click this, you go to style, you see the background image. So right now, let's edit the Google address. So you click the Google to insert your address on the Google. So this is it. You clean it, delete the one that is there on the template, and insert your home address or your office address. So whenever anybody click this automatically it will take them to your Google IP address instantly. You can direct them to your office. So I think it's okay, and then click update. So let's view the site, and I'll come to my preview. Click preview to like preview is like see how your site is. So this is it. This is what we just did. And should click visit map. This is the home address. So it will take me to Google. This is it. This is my home address. It's registered on Google. So I'll come back and add. I want to put contact. So I'll create a new container. To create a new container, I'll click this four icon and just going to type contact. So I'll go for WP contact, which is WP form. WP form. So once you put the WP form, because this first contact is just a design template, it will take you some API coding, some coding, but this will just link you to what the template generator is. So you click, you select the contact form, like there is a sign up, there is a contact form. So I'll go for contact form because the system has generated for you. So it will show you contact us, name, subject, email, and message. Then you click this four icon there, copy it, come back to here, delete this, delete it, then paste it under here. Just click the icon, paste it. Voila, I've pasted this. So this has a link to the website already. This form already exists. So what to do, this name, you can say the name, you can say like custom title. You click custom title to change the name. You can just say contact us or send us message. So I'm changing the title now. So send us message. You can put whatever you want, but I think this is cool. We already have one sender message. I'll just say left click, the edit, and delete it. So it's cool this way. Click update. So now let's go back to our site. Let's go back to our dashboard. You go to WP form. Now we want to right now we want to link it to what we just did. So I'll click off form on WP. Then you click off form. So it has taken us. Remember, we have contact form. We have contact us. So I'll click edit on the contact us. So this is the form, and I want to add number. We are add feed. Can see add number. You can add a lot of things that you want to add, but let me just go straight. Let me add a contact to it. So I'll just drag number and drop it. So it is very easy. So pick the number, add it to anywhere you want. So to edit this number, just double click. If you double click the image, it will go to edit, which is feed option. And they see an option here that click to edit. So I'll click it. Now on the feed, I can change the label name, which is the label name is number. I'll say phone number to make it easy. Description, I can say enter phone number. So it will be easy, you can see it. So once I'm done, I'm going to click save. Once you save, the next thing I'll go to settings. Click settings, then go to notification. Notification now we want to put an email. So whenever someone send message, the email that will receive it. So I will type in the email that is going to receive it on the contact form. Because right now we're on the back end. So I'm going to put info at designafrica.com. I click save. Then let's go back to our site and let's test it and see the outcome. Right now you are not going to use edit, you use the normal site. This is how you can send message. It's like you are testing it now. So I'm just gonna put anything for my email. Put a contact. You remember I added a contact. Then enter the message you want. Yes, I love the site. Send. Wow. Thanks for contacting us. See, so easy. So right now let's edit this interface. Like go back to your site and click edit. So if you want to edit, you just click this icon
and change it to whatever you want. So my just option I'm just showing, like I'll just put says sell online. Then you type any information you want to type by clicking here and edit the write up. So you put your own company write up. So you can put whatever you want to put. So I'm just going to put sell online. So I'll generate an email. You just put this like send an email. So when I receive an email on sell at designafrica.com, I know it is sell. So this next place, I'm just going to fast forward it because it's the same thing. So voila. Yeah. So when you're done, you click update. So to change this image, you click the edit icon. It will take you to style or the image. Right now, this is the particular image. Be careful. I'm not going to change this. I just want to show you. If you have a Photoshop, you will resize it. You can see 480 by 336 pixel. That is the resize. But let me just pick this and you see it. You can pick any picture. The only difference is that it's not going to be the same frame range. It's not going to be the same frame range. So we'll go back. I'll just write Command Z to go back and click update. So later we'll talk about how to edit picture when we're talking about the photo interface. But if you are someone out there, you already have a Photoshop or you have any photo editing software, you just resize it, upload it into your interface, and it will be in the same range. So thank you very much. We'll see you on the next lecture.